Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start at the nearest safe bench. Make sure you can dash and recover quickly. Once done, orient your map to the junk pit marker and head toward the appropriate entrance corridor. Move quickly but deliberately through the corridor enemies. Use dash attacks to close gaps and short-ranged spells to clear flyers. Keep your focus on landing precise jumps. Missed platforms force backtracking. If you haven't unlocked a needed movement skill, obtain it before continuing or route via alternate entrances. Continue by threading through the hazardous middle section using controlled dashes and timed jumps. Once done, bait single enemies out of groups and finish them with one swift nail combo so you keep mobility. Avoid trading hits with larger foes. Make careful use of soul on spells when enemies cluster over pits, and remember to land on safe ledges to reset momentum. If a platform pattern feels inconsistent, pause and watch one full cycle before you commit. Timing is the key to progress. Approach the final gate or narrow choke and identify the patrol pattern. You'll want to dash through during the brief window after their attack, not before. Once through, drop carefully into the junk pit and anchor to the nearest safe ledge. Don't rush downward. If you fail, make sure to return to the previous bench, heal fully, and break the sequence into smaller actions. Clear one enemy at a time, then practice the single timed dash. Troubleshooting tip. If you repeatedly miss a pattern, slow your inputs and count the rhythm before committing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.